Now we are going to discuss a few tips and tricks so that you can crack the exams set by the Reserve Bank of India. 1. Keep yourself updated with current affairs to score well in General Awareness section. For scoring in English, ensure correct usage of spelling, grammar and punctuation. For scoring in Finance and Management, you must have knowledge about topics like inflation, banking sector, corporate, governance, etc. Attempt your paper smartly. Try not to lose marks in negative marking. Keep your basics or concepts clear for clearing interview round. Practice mock tests once you feel you're done with your syllabus. For mock tests, I would recommend you Youth for Work prep tests. The link is given in the description below. If you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel Youth for Work.